Hello my dear students. Today in my channel I will discuss about the banking chapter of class 10 ICSE. Okay. So let's begin with the definition of bank. What is bank? Actually, we all know that bank is an institution which is mainly used for getting deposits and lending money to the common people. Okay, so some of the functions of the banks are like, first of all, we want to deposit some money, then we use bank. Whenever we want any kind of loan, that means for any business or for any personal reason, if we want to lend money, we get help from the bank. And all of you know that for transferring money from one place to the another or from one person to the another person, we use bank. Sometimes we use bank to get check and for the foreign exchange money, and sometimes to keep our valuable things in the locker we use bank, right? In this chapter particularly we will discuss about the special few types of bank account. So what are the different types of bank account? We all know that is savings bank account, savings bank account, number 1. Number 2 is the current bank account. Number 3 is the fixed deposit account. Number 4 is the recurring deposit account. Okay, now what is savings bank account? In day-to-day our life, we different times we deposit some amount of rupees to the bank, and as per our requirement we withdraw them, and every time the amount of saving may be of different and withdrawal amount may be of different, but there is a fixed amount of interest that we get from bank. Okay, what is current bank account? Current bank account is mainly used for the business purpose, where lots of money many times are invested, transferred from one business person to the another. Here rate of interest is different from savings bank account. What is fixed deposit account? Fixed deposit account means, suppose you have lump sum of 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs of money in your hand. You can deposit it for a longer duration, say about 1 year, 3 years or 5 years to the bank, and in between that locking period you cannot withdraw that money. Against that, bank will offer you different setup of interest, like for 1 year they may pay you about 4.25%, for 3 years they may pay you for 5.75%, and for 10 years it may be of 6.65 or whatever. The interest that I telling you that bank offer are arbitrary. I am giving you just the examples. It's not the definite interest amount that nowadays bank offer. Okay, to make you just understand, I am telling you the interest rates. Now what is recurring deposit account. Many times all of you know that certain fixed amount of rupees we monthly deposit in the bank. Suppose I want to deposit 2000 rupees every month for about 3 years. Maybe you want to deposit 5000 rupees for 3 years. Okay, so every month I have to deposit 2000 for 5 years. Whatever the year I want to deposit or I want to make the recurring account, it will be depending upon my choice. But the thing is that in between that locking period, I can't withdraw that money. In this particular chapter of class 10, we will discuss about this RD deposit account or recurring deposit account. Okay, to start the numerical calculations, we have to know mainly two equations. The first equation, just I am writing it, then explaining to you, is I is equals to P into N into N plus 1 divided 2 into 12 into R by 100. Okay, it is the first formula. So I stands for interest. P is the money that is deposited per month. As I told you, when we do recurring account, we make a recurring account in bank every month, we have to deposit a fixed amount of money in the bank. So money that deposited per month is denoted by the letter P. N here is the month, or you can say duration. Here it is calculated in terms of month. That means, suppose I want to deposit recurring, or I want to open a recurring account for 3 years, that means the calculation will be 3 into 12, that is for 36 months, and like so. Okay, and R is the rate of interest that bank give to us. Okay, now it is the part of our activity when we deposit money to the bank every month. Then after a certain time period, bank will return us the money, and it is called MV. Okay, first of all I am writing you the formula, then explaining to you. So what is MV? MV is equals to P into N plus I. P into N plus I. MV is nothing but matured value. P again is the money deposited per month. N is number of month, and I obviously is the interest. Okay. So let starts a sum. Here, what is the sum? Mrs. Goswami deposits 1000 rupees every month in a recurring deposit account for 3 years at 8% interest per annum. Find the matured value. Okay, so first of all we have to write down the things or the informations that have already been given to us. First thing is that P, that is 1000 rupees, because it has been given that Mrs. Goswami deposits 1000 rupees every month, right, in a recurring deposit account for how many years? For 3 years. So as I told you, it will be calculated in terms of month. So 3 years, that means 3 into 12, that is 36 month, right? Now R, that means the rate of interest is 8%. And what has been asked? The matured value has been asked. Now let's think about the formula of MV. Just we have learned that MV is equals to P into N plus I. So here P is present, N is present, but I is not present. So from the given information, can I find out the value of I? Yes, because for calculation of the I, the formula was I equals to P into N, P into N, N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100, right? So in place of each things, I'm just putting the value. N here is 36, N plus 1, that means 37. Now 2 into 12 and R I'm putting 8 is 100. (36) into 37 into 8 into 24. Now okay, so if I just calculate it, 37 into 12, it will be in terms of into 10. Into 10, it will be like 444 rupees. 12 into 37 is 444, and for this 0 here 4440 rupees. So my I has been this. Now MV, that is P into N plus I. P is here 1000 rupees. N is 36 plus 4440. So 36,000 plus 4440 rupees, that is 40,440 rupees. Okay, hope today you have understood the sum. If you want such type of solutions of different interesting numericals, please comment in the comment box. And if you like this video, please tick the like button and please share and subscribe to get such type of many more videos in coming days. Thank you friends. Good night.